Hello beautiful people, welcome once again to our YouTube channel. So today we're going to be checking out this best boo dresses to sew this season. This white boo Tiwa is wearing is giving the whole big woman vibes, and then this can be made with organza. So just get your organza fabric and get your embellishments ready, and then you're good to go. Then this next dress is one that I love. You can actually do this with your satin, your silk, can do this with your embellishment, and just get creative about it and make sure that the color is in tune with your skin tone. This one, the color combination is on point, so all you need to know, your stylist needs to know what color suits you and is popping and doing all the whole sherere. Now look at this, look at the embellishment, look at everything about this dress. This is a stylish organza, this is a net organza which you can use to actually create this style, and then you stand out. This also is beautiful. This is beautiful. This is used with brocade fabric, and you can still give that rich anti vibes. Are you getting it? Now this is Ashoke. Ashoke does it all here. Ashoke has been termed to have a lot of creative things to be done with this fabric these days, so you can actually get creative with it. Then this Akara print mixture is everything. Just look at how the prints are laying now. So let's check out this next dress. So you see the satin color combination, it's everything. Just get creative. You can also replicate this outfit and still stand out. Make sure to get a color combination. Now on this black caudal lace, you can see that there's a lot of flowering prints being done on the neckline, which is making this dress stand out. Color combination again, make sure you are doing the best color combination. You must always use these two colors. Just know the colors that is in tune with you. Pink will even go well, pink and blue, and then you're good to go. This floral dress gives everything. Money. So you're actually standing out. This is pink. Pinky always does it well for ladies, so even if pink is not your color, you can always get another color and then replicate this outfit. Let me just give you time to cool off, get your drink, chill, and get more inspiration on the outfit being displayed on this channel. So you're on the journey to slay like the queen that you are this season. So chill and watch. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like and share this video. Bye.